Also, happy May the 4th be with you. Star Wars branding reigns supreme, or I should say Disney branding. Anyway, yes, I hope you had lovely weekends. Today in class, there was a bit of questioning and answering of different questions with the hero's journey. Because of the way that I described things on the handout, you can work in groups of 1, 2, 3, or 4, and I will just do my best to discern the and do justice to the work that you did with that. And then speaking of, the other thing that I did was direct people's attention to this sign up form where you can sign up for a time to present. And these are in 20-minute chunks, as you may see. Anything that doesn't fit within there will have to be either scheduled for Wednesday or Saturday. So, so that's kind of up to you how that works. Anyway, that's the deal. Happy Monday. Sign up for a time for your Hero's Journey project and email /pop into office hours if you have any questions. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.